Hey guys, what's up? This is your friend Mainak from Civil Center and I'm back with another video on Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in today's video, we'll show you how to insert nodes or coordinates in Tekla Structural Designer just like we do in STAAD. So before starting, I want to tell you, we have launched for you a complete recorded course on G+3 building design using Tekla Structural Designer, in which all the aspects of your planning, structural design and making the final structural drawing sheet will be covered. And in this course we'll also include 2 live demonstrations and 2 doubt clearing sessions for you. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and you can contact the number which has been given here, and also you can register using the link which has been given in the description. So before inserting your nodes, make sure you have defined your construction levels. You can go to a model and define the construction levels. We have defined a construction levels for our foundation level, plinth level, ground floor slab level and first floor slab level. So basically we have defined the construction level for the G+1 building. We'll just click on OK and then we'll observe the axis. So as you can see, the x-axis is in this direction and the y-axis is in this direction. So we'll go to a particular level where we want to create the nodes and then we'll go to the edit option. So let's insert the coordinates by clicking on the free points, and then we'll add the first point we have added, the next point, let x value let's give as 4, and then add another point. For the next point, the x value let it be 8, and for the next point the x value will be 0, the y value will be 4, and next point the x value will be 4 and the y value will also be 4. Next point the x value will be 8 and the y value will also be 4. So like this we have created certain nodes. As you can see here, the nodes are created. So after these nodes are created, we can go to the option of model, we can select the option of columns and we can assign the particular columns in our nodes. You can simply click on the nodes and you can go and watch it in the 3D view. The columns are ready. Now you can join the beams. So for joining the beams, you can just simply click here. So as you can see in the 3D view, the beams are ready at the plinth level. For copying it to the next level, you can go to the construction levels and then you can just make this as base and then click on OK, and then you can go back to this and make this as unique. Now you can go to the particular structure levels, structure 1, and insert some slabs here. Then go to the structure window and then go to the construction levels and make this as 1 and then make this back as unique. So as you can see friends, we have modeled a G+1 building model using coordinates. It's just like the process we use for inserting coordinates in STAAD. So friends, let us know how did you find today's video, and did you know earlier that we can insert coordinates and create a model in Tekla Structural Designer just like we can do in STAAD. So let us know in the comment section. That's all for today's video, and if you want professional training on Tekla Structural Designer or any other courses related to civil engineering, you can check out the link which has been given in the description. Bye.